अस्सलामु अलैकुम। कैसे हैं बच्चों? ठीक ठाक होंगे आप सब यकीनन। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न विद नीलम। आज की हमारी क्लास है गुड हैबिट्स टू कीप क्लीन। कैसे हम अपने आप को अच्छा रख सकते हैं, हेल्दी, सेहतमंद और साफ़ सुथरा। तो इसके लिए हमें कुछ आदतें, कुछ हैबिट्स अपनानी होंगी। वो क्या है, चलिए सीखते हैं आज। आई वेयर क्लीन क्लॉथ्स। I wear clean clothes. I throw rubbish in the dustbin. I throw rubbish in the dustbin. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. I use these things to keep myself clean. I use these things to keep myself clean. I wake up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I use napkin to dry my hands. I use towel, I use napkin to dry my hands. I do exercise daily to keep myself healthy. Okay, I cover my nose when I sneeze. I cover my nose when I sneeze with a handkerchief, with a tissue. I drink clean water. I drink clean and boiled water. I am careful about my health. I am careful about my health. I wash my hands for 20 seconds. I wash my hands for 20 seconds. I take bath daily. I take bath daily. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I cut my nails every week. I cut my nails every week. Thanks for watching, kids. Stay home and stay safe. And I think you will like my video. Please subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz.